Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a classic favorite, garlic bread. Let's dive in. Start by blending butter, yeast, salt, sugar, egg, milk, and water with bread flour. Stir until crumbly, then knead it into a smooth dough. Let it sit aside for fermentation. Peel and crush garlic, mix it with salt and butter. Set this flavorful mixture aside. Once the dough doubles, divide it into 8 parts, forming each into a ball. Take one piece and shape it into a boat. Spread the delightful garlic butter in the center and sprinkle with chopped green onions. Into the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 minutes. And there you have it, delicious garlic bread ready to enjoy. Give this recipe a try and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.